Does your washer and dryer see a ton of action, like all day, every day, non-stop? You definitely don't want either of your appliances breaking down, so I'm gonna show you today how to keep your washer and dryer clean, that way they're running strong and smelling fresh. To clean your washer, you'll need a few things: distilled white vinegar, bleach, baking soda, dish soap, a sponge, a small bowl, and a baking pan. To get started, remove the detergent tray and soak it in hot water. After a few minutes, wipe it down with the sponge, rinse, dry, and then pop it back in. If your tray isn't removable, just dampen the sponge with hot water and then wipe it down. Next, clean the gasket and glass on the washer's front with water and vinegar. We recommend using a mixture of 1 part water and 1 part vinegar. Dampen your sponge with a cleaning solution and wipe down the gasket around the door. Gently scrub the top and underneath the lip of the gasket, being careful not to remove it. Now wipe down the glass. When you're done, set aside your bowl of cleaning solution so you can use it later on your dryer. Next, we're going to clean the filter located behind this door on the front of your washer. Now, one thing to note, not all washing machines have this, but if yours does, you do want to make sure to clean it regularly. Put a small tray or baking pan under the door. Then, drain the water into the pan. Take out the filter and let it soak for a few minutes in a bowl of hot soapy water. While it is soaking, use a cloth to clean any dirt or debris in the filter housing. Then, gently wash and rinse the filter. Put it back in the housing and close it. Finally, pour 1 cup of white vinegar into the detergent dispenser and run a normal wash cycle. Once that is complete, sprinkle about ½ cup of baking soda in the empty drum and run this bad boy on hot or cleaning cycle. Now onto the dryer. Lint can be a fire hazard, so it's important to keep this in your dryer clean. All you'll need is some warm water, a soft cloth, scrubber brush, vacuum cleaner with a crevice attachment, and a Phillips screwdriver. Before you start, disconnect your dryer and turn off the breaker to avoid electric shock. Then, clean your lint filter. Pull it out and clear any lint or debris. Next, soak it in warm water for a few minutes. While it's soaking, let's take off the cover that holds the filter and get rid of any lint or other stuff that can get through. Unscrew these screws with a Phillips head screwdriver and carefully lift out the cover. Then, vacuum anything inside with your crevice tool. When you're done, put the cover back and screw it in. Finally, use your scrubber brush to gently clean your soaked filter. When you're finished, just set it aside on a towel to let it dry. All right, now let's clean all around the unit with a vacuum cleaner. Anywhere you see lint, let's get it. Okay, the lint filter should be dry by now, so we'll go ahead and get it put back in the dryer. Now remember that cleaning solution from earlier? We're gonna grab a soft cloth and use that solution to clean our exterior surfaces. Once you're finished, you can plug it back in or flip the breaker back on. And there you have it, a nice clean laundry space to help your appliances last longer and keep your family safe. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel for more tech tips.